You are aware that giving your children vegetables rather than ice cream is better. But how do you actually get them to eat them? Children don't always eat what you want them to, as anyone who has tried to feed one knows. Trying to come up with recipes to feed their tiny bodies is stressful. Additionally, your children might not eat something just because it is served. However, children require a diet rich in nutrients, including all the vitamins and minerals that vegetables have to offer, healthy fats for the brain and bones, calcium, and more. We gathered a list of the top 5 healthy foods for kids in order to reduce some of the stress and ensure that you are providing your child with nutrient-dense foods. Not only are these 5 foods good for your children and you, but they are also adaptable and simple to prepare. 1. Beans. Beans are a nutrient-dense food. They are inexpensive, quick to prepare, and packed with protein and fiber. Purchase canned beans with low sodium content, such as kidney, chickpeas, or black beans. Open the can, rinse the contents to get rid of any excess sodium, and then add to any dish. According to Andrews, substituting beans for ground beef in quesadillas or adding beans to pasta helps maintain high-quality, lean protein while supplying fiber, a crucial nutrient. Beans are also used to make pasta. According to Andrews, most products marketed directly to children, such as fruit snacks and cheese crackers, contain little to no fiber. Fiber aids in healthy digestion and makes children feel fuller for longer, preventing them from asking for a snack 5 minutes after dinner. 2. Avocado. Avocados are an excellent source of healthy fats and a simple way to introduce them to your child's diet. They contain a lot of monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation and maintain normal cholesterol levels. Fat keeps kids fuller for longer because it passes through the digestive system slowly. The best aspect of avocados, though, is their adaptability. They can be eaten with a spoon, mashed on toast, blended, added to chicken or tuna salad, or made into an avocado pesto-style pasta sauce. 3. Milk. Milk contains calcium and vitamin D, both of which aid in the development of strong bones. One 8-ounce glass contains 8 grams of protein, along with high levels of potassium, vitamin B12, and phosphorus, according to the USDA. Cow's milk shouldn't be given to infants before age 1. Offer whole milk up until age 2, but limit daily intake to 16 ounces to prevent children from becoming overstuffed and unable to consume food, advises the CDC. There are many options on the market if your child dislikes cow's milk. However, look at the nutrition labels and give your kids plain or unsweetened options. To match the sweetness of dairy milk and make it more palatable to small taste buds, plain may have some added sugar. The nutritional profile of each alternative milk varies slightly. Soy milk has the most protein. As long as the milk is fortified, you will also benefit from the calcium and vitamin D benefits. 4. Yogurt. According to Katie Andrews, MS, RD, a childhood nutrition coach and proprietor of Wellness by Katie, a yogurt is a wonderful option for breakfast, a snack, or even a dessert, but you have to watch the added sugar content. Yogurt also provides probiotics, good bacteria that are crucial for maintaining a healthy gut, making it a healthy, filling snack that checks the boxes on protein and vitamin D, a nutrient many kids lack in their diet. A quick method for choosing a wholesome yogurt. Purchase plain Greek yogurt, which has twice the protein of regular yogurt and no added sugars. Most flavored yogurt contains additional sugar. Some recent products only use fruit as the flavoring, but plain yogurt is always a good choice. You can easily add flavor by including berries, sprinkling whole grain cereal on top, or making a tasty fruit parfait. By making frozen yogurt pops or frozen yogurt bark, you can dress up yogurt even more for kids. 5. Eggs. According to the USDA, a large egg provides 6 grams of protein, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and iron. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids, which support children's brain development, are added to some eggs. Don't worry about the cholesterol. Trans and saturated fats raise bad cholesterol more than eggs do. Skip the pastries, fried foods, and processed meats at breakfast, and give your kids some scrambled eggs instead. Try other presentations like egg salad or egg casseroles if your kids aren't fond of scrambled eggs. Additionally, eggs are a fantastic first food for infants. In the past, doctors advised waiting until a baby was 12 months old before introducing eggs. The American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology, however, has stated as of 2020 that allergenic foods like eggs can be introduced when babies are ready for solid foods, and in fact, might help prevent food allergies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.